Hi guys, this is Juana from the Midnight Mouse, and here we have another unboxing. This time I have a package that arrived from Dolls.Moe from Spain, and we'll see together what is this. The package is so nice. I don't want to open it, but I'm also excited. This is something a bit different. It's not a BJD. You know what? Let's do this. It's a present. And ta-da! I have here my first Pullip doll, which is a MIO Kit, which means make it your own. And I thought it was a bit of it was about the time to actually start a new project, and I missed customizing dolls and exercising a bit the face sculpting. I noticed that these kits are still produced. Found a retailer in Europe, and I am so excited for my first Pullip. Also happy to customize her. The body skin is normal. And here we have a small presentation of what is included in the package, which we'll see soon. And I think these are the instructions to assemble the head. Basically, the doll is not assembled. We'll have to do that besides customizing hers. We have eyelashes and the eye chips on this small package. Here we have the screws for closing the head. This is the eye mech, the body and the head. Actually, her body is so pretty. I did not expect this. She doesn't have too much mobility on her upper torso, just a bit sideways. She can lift the leg. Oh, it's a click mech inside. Her small feet. You can only lift her arms, you are not able to rotate. Oh yes, actually you can rotate. Sorry about that. You can pivot the hand here as well. Okay. You can move the elbow and the hand. does have quite some movement within the hand. This is actually a very beautiful body on the original body, at least for a while. She does have a big head. I like her features, I like her lips. This is the inside. My plans with her face would be to resculpt the nose a bit, also the lips. This is the back part of the head. This is not a crack, it seems like a crack, but it's just marbling. She has such cute ears. Yeah. Okay. The lids. These are the buttons that will go through her head. Small screws. We have some beautiful eye chips to customize. As I remember, her eye chips are smaller than what a Blythe doll has. These are 13 millimeters instead of 14, but we'll see. And let's see the lashes. Her lashes are quite soft, I like them. I was not expecting this. I was expecting actually a lower quality. However, I will not use the standard lashes. I will add some custom ones for her. And let's open the iMac. We'll see through the instruction how we can set up this. For now it seems complicated. There are many pieces. Let's see how we can assemble her. Will be quite an adventure. I already added one of the eye chips, and I will add the second one. I'm not entirely sure with these springs what to do. As I understand from the mechanism, the eyeball should stay on the springs, but everything is flimsy. This is actually the button that will change the eye direction. First, as I understand, we have to add the eyelids, which they also have a small spring. Here is the slot for the eyelashes, but we will not add those now. I think I managed to fit the iMac. And as I understood, now we have to take the springs from the lids and pass them through these pieces. This is not easy, guys. So here she is. We can move her eyes and we can close her eyelids one at a time. You should push until it clicks. And to release the eyelids, you simply lift a bit. This part of the button acts like a stopper after the lid is closed. And here she is, and I would like to try some wigs on her head and see which one will fit. I think meh. So it seems that I do have a couple of brown wigs that fit her well, but I have another idea for her, and I will create her a custom wig a bit later. Bye guys, thank you for watching.